Please turn off the fan properly. Please turn off the fan properly. I cannot find my mobile phone. I cannot find my mobile phone. Let us finish our work first. Let us finish our work first. Please wait here for some time. Please wait here for some time. Do not forget to lock the door. Do not forget to lock the door. I am going to the market now. I am going to the market now. Can you please help me today? Can you please help me today? We should leave early in morning. We should leave early in morning. Please keep your room clean always. Please keep your room clean always. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. She is preparing dinner for everyone. She is preparing dinner for everyone. He is watching television in living room. He is watching television in living room. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Do not waste your precious time. Do not waste your precious time. I will call you after lunch. I will call you after lunch. They are playing cricket in the park. They are playing cricket in the park. Please speak slowly so I understand. Please speak slowly so I understand. We are planning a family trip. We are planning a family trip. Close the window because it is cold. Close the window because it is cold. I need some rest after work. I need some rest after work. Please bring the book from table. Please bring the book from table. He is waiting for the bus. He is waiting for the bus. We are getting ready for school. We are getting ready for school. Always tell the truth to everyone. Always tell the truth to everyone. I forgot to charge my phone. I forgot to charge my phone. Please clean the kitchen after dinner. Please clean the kitchen after dinner. She is talking to her friend. She is talking to her friend. Do not open the door for strangers. Do not open the door for strangers. We should respect our parents always. We should respect our parents always. I am feeling better than yesterday. I am feeling better than yesterday.